what we're going to go through today is I want to figure out if the components I'm going to show you, the way they behave, is it a bug or is it a feature? I really need to know. I'm pretty sure it's a bug, but if you know any better than I do, you can let me know in the comments or post some other videos that explain this better. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but we'll go through this and you'll see what I'm talking about. So it's a very simple flow. What I'm doing is I'm passing a contact ID, and what we want to do is update a contact record. So we give them the option to edit these different things, and then when they select, the items show up here. So you can see that it automatically pulls in the information for each of these values. So we are pre-programming, and you'll also see that we do the visibility. The next thing is in the advanced, we're setting the value to a contact record. So then at the end, we're going to update that contact record. So we can see we update the record, and then there's a fault if something goes wrong. Very simple stuff. So let's just debug this, and we'll see what actually happens. So I've got a record I'm going to plug in, and we'll click run. And you know what? I don't want to do anything. So what I'm going to do is just click next, finish up. But here's what happens. You end up with a missing field in last name. It doesn't make any sense because we haven't done anything. But what actually happens, if you can see over here, is all the values get set to null if those components are hidden. So the user would actually delete the values of their fields. So if we go to previous, and I'm going to update contact name, so we can take a look at our contact and see that there's information here. So now I go into my field here. So now it's going to actually pass this through. It finishes. We go back to our contact and update our contact. And what actually happens is all these values are removed. They're all set to null. Null phone number, null email, the address. We didn't take a look, but the address is gone. Everything's gone. Now, I leave it to you. Is this a bug or is this a feature? Is there something that we're supposed to be doing in our flow, or do we have to check to make sure that when we do this, if we skip it, we set these values, or we need to set them afterwards? And then what's the point of having the ability to show this and the ability to plug in the values directly here? I like this because you don't have to have that extra assignment, but obviously you don't want to delete your data at the same time. So basically I never use these because they don't work the way I want them to work. So let me know in the comments or tweet at me or whatever. Feature or bug? Thanks for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You can follow me on Twitter. You can send me an email if you have any questions. Until next time, this is Helpful Salesforce Admin signing off.